Friendship isn't always about loud laughter or constant messages. Sometimes it's about presence, loyalty, and deep understanding. On this Friendship Day, let's reflect. Are we being the friend we wish to have? On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, when Arjun was overwhelmed, broken, lost, he turned to his dearest friend. And Krishna didn't just give advice, he listened first. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna doesn't speak until Arjun asks for guidance. To be a true friend, listen before you speak. Don't assume, don't preach, be present. True friendship is not about convenience, it's about commitment. Hanuman crossed oceans, defied odds, and faced Ravan's Lanka, not for glory, but for Ram, his friend and Lord. A real friend shows up when things go wrong, not just when things go right. Sudama came to Krishna's palace with torn clothes and a handful of rice. Krishna didn't see his appearance, he saw his intention, his love. Value the bond more than appearances. Real friendship doesn't count status, money, or perfection. Ram didn't just help Sugriva win his kingdom, he gave him the confidence to fight his own battle. He stood beside him, but let Sugriva lead. Empower your friends and stand by them. To the ones who listened, lifted, and never left, this is for you.